The focus is on the potential resurgence of Ethereum. This analysis explores factors that may contribute to Ethereum's growth by 2025. The aim is to understand the key drivers influencing Ethereum's future trajectory. Historical ETH price data is visualized on a dynamic chart. Periods of price decline are highlighted to illustrate market corrections. Recent positive price movement is emphasized, suggesting a shift in market sentiment. Historically, Ethereum faced skepticism and negative sentiment within the cryptocurrency community. Early criticisms often centered on scalability issues and high transaction fees. These initial challenges contributed to a period of uncertainty surrounding Ethereum's long-term viability. Ethereum's roadmap outlines key upgrades aimed at enhancing scalability and efficiency. Upgrades like sharding are designed to distribute the computational load, increasing transaction throughput. The roadmap focuses on improving Ethereum's performance and reducing transaction costs. Layer 2 scaling solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum increase Ethereum's transaction throughput. Optimistic rollups on Layer 2 aggregate multiple transactions into a single batch before submitting to Ethereum. Arbitrum utilizes fraud proofs to ensure the validity of transactions processed on Layer 2. The DeFi ecosystem on Ethereum has experienced substantial growth, marked by increasing adoption and innovation. Key DeFi protocols drive the ecosystem, providing services such as lending, borrowing, and decentralized exchange. Total value locked, TVL, is a key metric for assessing the health and scale of the DeFi ecosystem. NFT marketplaces on Ethereum facilitate the trading of digital assets, including art, collectibles, and virtual real estate. Transaction volumes on Ethereum NFT marketplaces reflect market activity and investor interest in digital assets. Notable NFT collections on Ethereum drive significant trading activity and influence market trends. Institutional investment in Ethereum indicates growing confidence from major financial entities. Increasing institutional participation suggests enhanced market stability and liquidity for Ethereum. Ethereum's adoption by institutional investors may lead to greater regulatory scrutiny and standardization. The regulatory environment significantly influences the adoption and development of Ethereum. Regulatory clarity fosters innovation and attracts institutional investment into the Ethereum ecosystem. Uncertain or restrictive regulations can hinder Ethereum's growth and drive development to more favorable jurisdictions. Social media sentiment analysis indicates a shifting investor outlook on Ethereum. Real-time data streams visualize the positive sentiment trend regarding Ethereum across various social media platforms. Analysis reveals increased confidence in Ethereum's technological advancements and market potential. On-chain metrics provide insights into blockchain network activity and health. Active addresses indicate the number of unique participants engaging with the blockchain. Transaction counts reflect the volume of activity occurring on the blockchain network. Ethereum's staking mechanism secures the network by requiring validators to deposit ETH as collateral. Validators process transactions, create new blocks, and maintain network integrity through consensus. Staking rewards are distributed to validators proportionally, incentivizing participation and network security. Ethereum's strengths include its large developer community and established smart contract functionality. Ethereum's weaknesses involve scalability issues and high transaction fees during peak network usage. Competing blockchain platforms offer advantages such as faster transaction speeds and lower fees, but may have smaller ecosystems. Smart contracts on Ethereum execute automatically when predefined conditions are met. Each smart contract execution is recorded as a transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. The distributed nature of the blockchain ensures transparency and immutability of smart contract executions. Decentralized applications dApps on Ethereum enable diverse use cases across various sectors. dApps leverage blockchain technology to provide transparency, security, and user autonomy. The Ethereum ecosystem fosters innovation and collaboration among dApp developers. ETH's price is influenced by the fundamental economic principle of supply and demand. Increased demand for ETH with a constant supply tends to drive its price upward. Conversely, an increase in the supply of ETH, with constant demand, tends to decrease its price. The Fear and Greed Index is a metric used to gauge market sentiment, reflecting investor emotions of fear and greed. Ethereum's price movements often correlate inversely with the Fear and Greed Index. High fear levels may indicate potential buying opportunities, while high greed levels may suggest possible sell-off risks. Ethereum faces challenges from competing blockchain platforms. Security vulnerabilities present ongoing risks to the Ethereum network. Competition and security vulnerabilities can impact Ethereum's adoption and stability. Industry experts predict varying future price potentials for Ethereum based on different analytical models. Factors influencing Ethereum's price predictions include technological advancements, market adoption rates, and regulatory developments. Expert predictions are derived from technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis of the cryptocurrency market. The Ethereum ecosystem is characterized by continuous development and innovation across multiple layers. Layer 2 scaling solutions enhance transaction throughput and reduce costs within the Ethereum network. Decentralized applications, dApps, drive innovation and expand the utility of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's utility is expanding beyond decentralized finance. DeFi applications. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, represent another significant application of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum supports diverse use cases, including supply chain management, healthcare, and identity verification. Ethereum's potential global adoption could significantly influence the broader cryptocurrency market. Widespread Ethereum adoption could drive innovation and development of decentralized applications across various sectors. Increased market capitalization and liquidity are potential outcomes of Ethereum's global integration. Long-term Ethereum investment strategies involve holding the asset for an extended period, typically several years, to capitalize on its potential growth. A core strategy is to accumulate Ethereum during market dips, leveraging dollar-cost averaging to mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. Staking Ethereum to earn rewards while holding it long-term can generate passive income and increase overall investment returns. Ethereum's resurgence by 2025 hinges on technological upgrades enhancing scalability and transaction speed. Increased adoption of decentralized finance, DeFi applications, and NFTs will drive demand for Ethereum's blockchain. Regulatory clarity and institutional investment are critical factors for Ethereum's sustained growth and stability. Viewers are encouraged to independently research and explore Ethereum's ongoing developments. Staying informed about Ethereum's evolution enables a deeper understanding of blockchain technology. Continuous learning and investigation are essential for navigating the dynamic landscape of decentralized technologies.